In our previous video, we have created the login form page with the help of template-driven approach. Now we are going to do the data binding in that particular template-driven form that we have created with the help of two fields, that was our login page. So data binding in template-driven form, let's see what is it. We will see the requirement in order to work with the template-driven form, and this is an approach in Angular application to create forms where most of the code is written in HTML template. We need to enable template-driven form by adding the form module in our application. We have already done. So now we are going to use the directives used in the template-driven form. We will be using ngForm in our form tag and ngModel in our controls and ngModelGroup to form a particular group like address that contains some other fields, some combination of fields like country, state, city, pin, etc. So let's see the significance of form in Angular. As soon as you add the form tag in HTML view, Angular attaches the ngForm directive to that particular tag. Now it tells the value of the form control and if it's valid or not. We can achieve this functionality by the use of template reference variable. What we have to do, we will add the template reference variable value to be equal ngForm, just like this. We have to create the form, then template reference variable, then equals to ngForm. Then comes the ngModel directive. So ngModel directive allows the control to be tracked. We need to place the ngModel directive in each control, either it is text box, radio, dropdown, etc. We have to use the name attribute to be set in our control. So when we have the name attribute set and the ngModel directive is placed in the controller, then we will be able to retrieve the value of the form control using ngForm and ngModel directive. What we have to do in order to use the ngModel directive, we have to give that particular control and provide the name and just add the ngModel directive. Then comes the ngModelGroup directive. This directive is used to group the controls in the form. The group of control together forms the information, just like this particular div have the address and contains the combination of fields like input type text 4 times. This group contains the 4 fields and combined together to be called as address by including the information country, state, city and pin. Let us see how we can achieve these all directives and ngForm to bind the data in template driven form application. Till then, thank you so much. Let us see in our next video how we can achieve this practically.